have a return client that just bought this house. And so they just they called us as they were moving in for us to come and do this stuff. So we get to work around this stuff. But so this used to be a bedroom kind of type deal. And so they had a closet over here, took out the closet, put the washer dryer hookups in. And so now we get a texture. This wall, we're going to put built-ins here so we don't care about the wallpaper. So that's why we've left it. But the vent for the washer, the vent, so that you have return air coming in, comes up and comes across and pops out there. And so a plumber came in and did it that way instead of going up, and because there is an upstairs up above. And then the dryer vent goes down underneath the floor and goes to the back of the house. So, but anyways, we're going to put some built-ins here and built-ins across here, and then hanging stuff here, and make this a beautiful laundry room because the homeowner, she loves to do laundry. So we're working on that room. We're going to finish this and the crown, and we're going to finish it up there, make that look all pretty. One of our other projects is this bathroom. We're going to rip out the floor, the toilet, and leave the tub, but we're going to do batten board in here, clear up to about this height all the way around, paint this top dark and the bottom of it white. New mirror, new fixtures, white fixture, new faucet, and new fixtures in the shower. So we're going to redo all of that. And we're going to bring this out because their TV sits way back in there. And so we're going to bring it out and make it flush with everything and do shiplap up this. They're undecided if they're going to keep this mantle or if we're going to rip it off and do a floating mantle, but we can do that later. So we're just going to go to the bottom of this shelf for now. So, and that's what we're going to get done today, and then rehang the TV. So, because tonight is Thursday, and there's Thursday night football on. So we'll get that rehung by the end of the day. And then eventually we're going to do their basement. And so, but we're just doing these little things for now. The basement is completely unfinished. And so we'll come in and finish their entire basement after we get these three. Get that one, that bathroom, and the laundry room done. We also need to do stuff in their master, but that's for another day.